We're coming up to the last couple days of our 10-day spiritual cleansing journey. It's day 8 and we're making sage incense cones. They're easy to make and quick to put together. Sage can be used to clear the air before a ritual or after an argument or illness, or to cleanse the home, but it's also burned for meditation and yoga. In its basic purpose, it is meant to heal, and that is what we want to invite during this journey. You'll need some white sage and a piece of wood lined with wax paper where your cones can dry. I'm taking a few sage leaves off of my smudging bundle and grinding them down with a mortar and pestle until I have a fine powder. There is something so alluring about grinding herbs down like this, like I'm partaking in an ancient art. It's a truly witchy moment. You need equal parts for your ingredients, so I have 2 teaspoons of sage here, and I place that into a small bowl. For these to be the kind of incense that burn on their own and hold a shape, they need a combustible element and a binder ingredient. Those two can be found in Makko powder. It will help the sage to burn and act as a glue to shape the cone. I measured 2 teaspoons of the Makko powder and mixed it into my bowl. Once everything is mixed, slowly add a little bit of water at a time until everything comes together and holds its shape like a dough. You can use gloves for mixing, but I like to stick my hands into everything. I know I am not alone on this, you guys. If you have a cake decorating tip, you can use that as a mold. Just use a toothpick to poke it out of the tip and reshape the tip of the cone. Personally, it's too tedious, so I ditched that method. You can make these cones as large or as small as you want, but ideally use about 1/4 of a teaspoon of the mixture to shape your cones. A taller, thinner cone will burn better. Continue this way, placing your positive intent into the incense. Just enjoy the moment of making something. It's very therapeutic. These would be great to put together for a group activity. Allow them to sit overnight, and then be sure to tip them over to completely dry. Subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and I'll see you back for day 9 of our 10-day spiritual cleansing journey. Bye!